The pandemic's stay-at-home order is prompting rebellion and political divide. Some counties vowing to disobey Governor Wolf's order, at least one lawmaker calling for Wolf's impeachment. Shelby Cassesse tells us history may be repeating itself. She's live tonight to explain why. Shelby.
Well, these past couple of months have certainly presented a lot of questions like, how does this pandemic compare with pandemics in our country's history? Does Governor Wolf have the legal authority to impose a stay-at-home order? And what would happen to counties that do not follow that stay-at-home order? I got the answers to those questions. Over the past week, officials in several local counties have pushed back against Governor Wolf's reopening plan. Turns out, pushback during a pandemic is not a new concept.
Even in Pittsburgh, 100 years ago, we actually saw tension between the state commissioner of public health and the mayor over when it was time to reopen.
That was during the 1918 influenza epidemic that killed an estimated 675,000 Americans. Duquesne University history professor Andrew Simpson says it seems similar conflict between public health and economics have resurfaced.
One of the things that public health crises often expose are the questions that we don't answer in our system when everybody's healthy.
As the pandemic continues to unfold, so do tensions between local and state officials, with some district attorneys promising not to prosecute businesses that open early. But according to Duquesne University law professor Bruce Ledowitz, the governor's orders still take precedence.
Is that the state Supreme Court of Pennsylvania has upheld the power of the governor to issue these orders.
That means businesses opening against the governor's orders face consequences like losing any state-issued license. The governor has also threatened to withhold federal aid from counties who defy his orders, but Ledowitz says that's a bit more complicated.
He has standing to try to do that. I'm not certain he has the authority to do that. I mean, that will be litigated if he tries to actually do that.
Both the gentlemen I spoke with tonight also pointed to the fact that this is all happening during an election year, injecting a high dose of politics into this pandemic. Reporting live, Shelby Cassesse, KDKA News.